Action words. Walk. Walk. The two children are walking side by side. Run. Run. The children are running. Jump. Jump. The kids are jumping. Hop. Hop. She is hopping from foot to foot. Skip. Skip. The boy is skipping rope. Sing. Sing. She is singing. Dance. Dance. She is dancing. Sleep. Sleep. He is sleeping. Clap. Clap. He is clapping to the music. Wave. Wave. The children wave to their friends. Catch. Catch. The boy is catching a ball. Throw. Throw. The boy is throwing a ball. Pull. Pull. Mary is pulling a trolley. Push. Push. Tom is pushing his friend. Shout. Shout. Tom shouted for help. Scream. Scream. The boy is screaming. Whisper. Whisper. She whispered something to her mother. Laugh. Laugh. The boy is laughing. Cry. Cry. Tom is crying. Talk. Talk. They are talking. Look. Look. He is looking through the window. Listen. Listen. I listen to music. Think. Think. I am thinking. Smell. Smell. Every day, she smells flowers. Taste. Taste. The boy tastes ice cream. Eat. Eat. The boy is eating chocolate. Drink. Drink. The child is drinking milk. Cook. Cook. The chef is cooking dinner. Share. Share. Tom shares his food with Mary. Pat. Pat. He patted the dog on the head. Sit. Sit. The boy is sitting on the bench. Stand. Stand. The boy is standing. Wait. Wait. He is waiting at the bus stop. Follow. Follow. The dog followed him wherever he went.
Argue. Argue.
We argued the whole time. Hug. Hug. The girl hugged her friend. Hide. Hide. Tom hides behind the trees. Play. Play. The children are playing in the park. Read. Read. Tom is reading a book. Write. Write. He is writing his homework. Draw. Draw. She is drawing a picture. Study. Study. He is studying English. Yawn. Yawn. He is yawning. Blow. Blow. He is blowing out bubbles. Close. Close. She closed the door. Open. Open. He opened the door. Climb. Climb. They saw a cat climbing up the tree. Swim. Swim. We swim when it is hot outside. Ride. Ride. The girl rides a bicycle. Crawl. Crawl. The baby is crawling.
Thank you.
Please subscribe for more videos.